Welcome to DailyRobo Auto Backup Tool. DailyRobo is a tool to auto backup all the data and send the data to mail. In this video, we will take auto backup of Outlook data by DailyRobo. This is the PST file of Outlook. We will take backup of this file by DailyRobo. Copy the path of the location where Outlook file located. Click on Add to add a new tab for backup. Write name of the task in the field. Select path of the data or paste the copy path here. Select the path where backup has to be done. Copy path from here. Paste the copied path in target directory. Click on Set Trigger to set the trigger for auto backup. We can set auto backup on daily, weekly or monthly basis. Click on Daily and set date and time for auto backup. Click on Expire to set the expiry date for auto backup. Set starting date and time and expiry date and time for auto backup, and save the configuration. Write email address on which mail has to be sent of backup data. Configuration for auto backup has been set, and now we will close DailyRobo. This is the backup folder, and now there is no file in this file. Mail will also come on this mail as we have set up mail address. We will wait for some time as backup file will auto-generate on its set time. See, backup file has generated in zip format. Extract the zip file. See, the PST file has been auto-generated in backup. See, the PST file has been auto-generated in backup. In this way, DailyRobo take auto backup of any data and send it directly to mail. Register free on our site and get 14 days free trial period. By DailyRobo, you can take backup of Tally data, Outlook files, any software data files and many more. You can download setup file from here and call us for a query or issue. Thank you for watching the video.